So why am I speaking about this topic after probably a month of the board exams? What happened was I was going through the journals of 2023, trying to organize them month wise, date wise, and I found the journals of class 10 and all the fun I had, all the experiences I had, and all of these things. And so I decided that I will actually share all of that knowledge to you guys. This idea just popped into my mind that nobody, or at least nobody that I have seen, has done the unfiltered version of what it feels to give the board exam for first time, to give this national level exam for the first time that everyone is hyping up so much. And many people give tips and tricks, study advice, study guides, this, that, but nobody actually gives you the back end, the failures you have to go through, the success you earn, the daily insights, or the things that consist of the back end. Everyone just tells you do this, do this, do this, and done, you will get the marks. But what actually happens behind it? What is the realistic approach? I have never seen someone show this backside of class 10. So what is this gonna be? It's gonna be a mini series on my experience of class 10, and hopefully there will be a very nice addition if I will be able to manage it. It will have different topics like sacrifices, the fun, marks, expectations, reality, tips, tricks, and all the things that I realized during my personal journey. It will be a memory for those who have passed already and a guide for them who are about to come. But combined with this, I will also be planning a surprise for you guys, and if that works out, please hope that it does. It's going to be a huge value for all of the people who are watching, because there is something going on behind the scenes. But till that gift comes to reality, I'll share my stories, I will share my lessons, I'll share my experiences, I'll share my tips, and I'll make you guys believe that this mystified demon called the boards exam is not too much of a pain. What I also wanted to do through this video is announce my email newsletter, in which I will be sharing different tips, tricks, stories, and other things, whatever the hell I can brainstorm to help you. And it's really gonna be a value packed reading. Those will be actionable as well, and they will not just be a mindless consumption that you read and do nothing. They are going to be fully action packed, value packed, and it's gonna be amazing. The link is in the description, you can go and check it out. I really wanted to keep all of this very short, and I just wanted to announce all of this. And also I have been working on the back end, and now I have got all of my social medias listed in one place. I made a website, you can go and check all of these things out. I wanted this video just to be an insight into the back end of how the things are going on right now, and hopefully you will get much more value than what you already have been getting. You will get a shit ton of value in the form of videos, in the form of emails, and all together it's gonna be a super fun journey to work on. So I'll see you in the next one. Start if you haven't already.